Now, I want to make a correlation between what those terms might mean to IT decision makers and what it means to new home buyers or people out there looking to build a home for the first time. You have to go and source out a bunch of contractors, right? You got to talk to people who are going to install your cabinets. You got to talk to plumbing. You got to talk to electrical. You got to talk to people who are going to come and do the exterior. You got a lot of different moving parts, and you got to go to all those people to source for them to come and help you build this house. And I make the correlation between that and IT services because wouldn't it be nice and in that process if you could have one person, one company to go to for all of that stuff? If you could go to them and say, hey, I want my cabinets done, I want the plumbing done, I want all this electrical done, can you do it? And if somebody came back and said, yes, I can do all of it, wouldn't that be nice? You got one number to call, you got one quote coming in, one guy you're paying, one company you're paying. I relate that to IT services because everything I just listed and put in front of you, we do here at Centrix IT. We're not a company that just supplies hardware. We're not a company that just provides alternative hardware maintenance opportunities. We are not only out there supplying smart hands for project-based work where we deploy a certain level engineer to come out and help with deployments or installs or moves or anything like that. We do all of that stuff. So we are a full IT lifecycle solutions provider. And what does that mean for IT decision makers? Well, that means like when you're building a house, if you could have one contractor to call, you can have one vendor, one strategic partner that you go to for all of your needs. Maybe you don't have a need for smart hands. Maybe you don't have a need for Wi-Fi surveys. You're not in retail, you're not rolling out new sites. Maybe that's not a need for you. But most people do have needs for hardware, maintenance, asset disposal, and so on. Let's talk about consolidating the number of vendors you already work with, not putting up any more capital, only looking at what you're already spending, and talk about not only can you spend less on all of that stuff, but you can also eliminate the number of vendors you're working with by taking a look at one company who can do it all for you.